we are privileged to host an M.Tech in electric vehicle technology in partnership with School of Engineering, Christ deemed to be University. So when you walk you through the whole lab facility, the lab facility is equivalent to any of the global universities which are across the world as well. So we should thank the management at Christ University in making sure there's a lot of meticulous efforts has been put into a place to host an M.Tech program. We need to have all of these facilities available. University has been key decision maker in partnering with an organization like Decibels Lab to be a value addition partner to create even this lab as well. Decibels team sit here as a part of the lab so that the participants of the M.Tech program get an opportunity to interact with the team at Decibels Lab. Through the journey of delivering these courses of an M.Tech program, there will be a collaborative efforts by the university faculty and also Decibels faculty as well. Henceforth, the curriculum is very well planned as a part of the activities of theoretical programs and also an equal and highly emphasized for the practical learning as well. While the first year of graduation has been finished, you come to a second year where the high focus is to make sure our students goes to our internships. It could be available across the country or even in the global opportunities as well. In addition to this, some of the students are highly interested in creating value addition research activities and IP generation activities. The state-of-the-art lab is available within the university campus itself. So henceforth, that the students who are interested to pursue research can be a part within the Center of Excellence of a mobility lab. And then students who would like to take up an internship opportunities can even go out and take up the programs as well. Decibels will be a key partner in helping you out to find those internship opportunities. By end of your course, you'll be supported with a plenty of interview opportunities because we have a close relationship with the industry already working for the last 5 years. So we bring that core competency and expertise to make sure that you are highly skilled during the training programs and you have right relevant skills and also an experience by your second year activity of the M.Tech program so that you're there at the right doorsteps to get to the needs of the industry in place. So henceforth, the whole program is highly planned and articulated in such a way so that there are well-defined structures of curriculum development, well-defined structures of practical activities, and also highly relevant to our industry needs in place, and then finally getting you into the career opportunities. So I highly anticipate a lot of participants to take up this program, and we can contribute together as a part of the journey to make sure the ecosystem of electrification get benefited by creating highly trained and well-talented resources out of this M.Tech program to the industry and to the country and all to the world as well. Thank you very much.